Chapter 3. Perform pending orders, perform a trailing stop, and changing the profit display. In this chapter, we'll learn how to open a future order, to operate a trailing stop, and to change the profit display. Pending orders. To open a pending order, click on the New Order button, the F9 key, or out of the Market Watch window, double-click on the pair you wish to trade with. The order window will open, and in the Type box, select Pending Order. There are 4 types of future orders. Buy limit, an order to buy a price lower than the market price. Sell limit, an order to sell at a price higher than the market price. Buy stop, in order to buy at a price higher than the market price. Sell stop, in order to sell at a price lower than the market price. Choose the type of pending order. Enter the price. Set the stop loss and take profit, and then press the Place button. You may view your pending orders in the terminal window on the Trade tab below the balance line. To modify or delete a future order, place the cursor on the order line and right-click, select Modify or Delete Order. To cancel, click on Cancel. To modify, click on Modify. A trailing stop. A trailing stop advances the price of stop loss in the direction of the order, pip after pip. The trailing stop is active only once the order becomes at least as profitable as the number of pips determined for the consecutive stop. For example, if it's been set that the trailing stop is 15 pips, as soon as the order reaches 15 pips profit from the entry price, the trailing stop will be activated. Adding a trailing stop. In the terminal window, under the Order tab, right-click on the line of the order you wish to choose and then set the trailing stop. Select the trailing stop and determine the desired distance between stopping the loss and the market price in pips. When a consecutive stop is set, the letter T will appear the order number. Once the trailing stop is activated, the price of stopping loss will be marked in yellow. When a trailing stop is set, the letter T will appear next to the order number. Once the trailing stop is activated, the price of stopping the loss will be marked in yellow. To cancel the trailing stop, right-click on your mouse and then select None for one order or Delete All for all orders. Profit display. To change the profit display, right-click inside the trade window and then choose either points, term currency, or deposit currency from the drop-down menu.